Welcome back to Next Gen Drive, the channel where we explore the boldest and most exciting machines shaping the future of mobility. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that isn't just another electric SUV, it's an off-road legend reborn for a new era. I'm talking about the all-new 2026 Jeep Recon, Jeep's fully electric midsize SUV designed to bring that iconic Wrangler spirit into a battery-powered future. This is more than just a new model, it's Jeep planting its flag in the EV world with a rugged, trail-ready beast. Let's break down exactly what makes this SUV so special, from its exterior design, to its performance, and finally a quick look inside the cabin. The first thing you notice when you lay eyes on the 2026 Jeep Recon is its unmistakable Jeep DNA. Jeep hasn't gone soft with the Recon's styling, despite it being an EV. The exterior is bold, squared off, and muscular, clearly inspired by the Wrangler. Up front, the instantly recognizable 7-slot grille has been reimagined for the electric age. Instead of needing airflow for a combustion engine, the slots are mostly sealed, and each one is illuminated with futuristic LED lighting that gives the SUV a commanding, high-tech presence on the road. The headlights themselves are sleek, rectangular units with crisp LED daytime running lights that cut sharply into the front fascia. It's aggressive, it's modern, but still every bit a Jeep. Move to the side, and the Recon's adventurous personality really starts to shine. Like the Wrangler, it's designed to embrace the outdoors. The doors are fully removable, the roof panels can be taken off, and even the rear glass can be dropped down for that open-air freedom Jeep fans crave. This is something you rarely see in the EV world, making the Recon stand out as a true off-road lifestyle machine. The proportions are chunky and confident, with short overhangs for excellent approach and departure angles. Rugged fender flares, squared wheel arches, and all-terrain tires mounted on aggressive alloy wheels send a clear message. This isn't just for suburban streets, it's built to tackle dirt, mud, and rock trails with ease. Jeep has even added skid plates and functional tow hooks, reinforcing its trail-ready character. At the rear, the Recon continues the Jeep tradition with its iconic boxy shape and upright stance. The taillights feature a bold X-shaped LED signature that pays homage to classic Jeep design cues. A full-size spare wheel is mounted on the tailgate, just like a Wrangler, which not only looks tough but also serves real utility when you're out in the wild. Everything about the exterior tells you that Jeep has refused to compromise its adventurous spirit in the switch to electric. Now, let's talk about performance, because Jeep knows that credibility in the off-road world comes from more than just looks. The 2026 Jeep Recon rides on Stellantis's advanced STLA large platform, purpose-built for electric vehicles. Power comes from a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, delivering around 600 horsepower combined. That's enough to rocket the Recon from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, a shocking figure when you remember this is a boxy SUV built for trails. Instant torque from the electric motors means it doesn't just feel quick on the road, it's also incredibly capable when climbing steep inclines or powering through mud and sand. Jeep has engineered the Recon with serious off-road hardware. It comes equipped with Jeep's Select Terrain Traction Management System, locking differentials, underbody protection, and impressive ground clearance. The suspension has been tuned to absorb punishment from rocky terrain while still delivering a stable ride on pavement. Unlike some EV crossovers that lean toward comfort only, the Recon was tested on the Rubicon Trail, one of the toughest off-road routes in the world, to prove its authenticity. Jeep wants buyers to know this isn't just a poser SUV, it's the real deal, capable of going where Wranglers go. Battery range is another key point. The Recon is expected to deliver around 300 miles of range on a full charge, depending on trim and configuration. That's competitive in the EV space, but what makes it more impressive is the availability of fast charging, allowing it to regain significant range in about 20 minutes at a high-output charger. Jeep is also building its own network of Jeep Adventure charging stations, near trailheads and off-road parks, ensuring owners can take their electric SUV deep into nature without worrying about being stranded. On the road, the Recon feels more refined than a traditional Wrangler. The low center of gravity from the battery pack helps stability, reducing body roll, and making it surprisingly nimble for its size. Acceleration is instant and smooth, highway cruising is quiet, and regenerative braking adds efficiency while giving drivers more control on steep downhill descents. This dual personality, tough off-road warrior and polished daily driver, makes the Recon stand out in the growing EV SUV market. Inside, Jeep has struck a balance between rugged functionality and modern tech. The cabin isn't overly luxurious, but it's solid, well-built, and practical, with materials designed to handle mud, dirt, and adventure. The dashboard features a large digital driver display paired with a central touchscreen running Stellantis's latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates are standard. The layout is simple, with chunky buttons and switches that can be operated with gloves on, something true off-roaders will appreciate. There's also plenty of cargo space, with flexible storage solutions for gear, tools, and camping equipment. In the front seats, you sit high with great visibility, and the rear seats offer generous legroom for passengers. Jeep has added thoughtful details like power outlets for charging outdoor equipment and a premium sound system for when you want to relax after a long day on the trail. It's not as plush as a luxury SUV, but that's the point. This is about durability, functionality, and adventure-ready design. The 2026 Jeep Recon is more than just a new EV, it's a statement from Jeep that electrification doesn't mean abandoning the spirit of adventure. With its rugged exterior, trail-proven performance, and smartly designed interior, it captures everything enthusiasts love about Jeep while pushing the brand into the future. For those who want zero-emissions driving without giving up the thrill of off-road exploration, the Recon might just be the perfect SUV. This has been Next Gen Drive, bringing you the future of performance and innovation on four wheels. If you're as excited about the Recon as we are, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the hottest upcoming cars, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the Recon over a Wrangler, or does electric off-roading still need to prove itself to you?